Alright. You know what? The ball's big enough.
Yeah, they'll spread out. Right.
Alright. Guess we're ready. Alright. Let's see. About 10 minutes. 5, 10. Alright, I'll get back to you guys when they're done. There we go.
And you're baking, not cooking.
Alright, we're baking a yellow cake with stars and stripes frosting. So, first things first. I usually like baking from scratch, but cakes I don't do that because I'm not that good. So, cut our bag open. Smells good. Alright. Let's see. I gotta follow instructions. I'm not a very smart fella. Cup of water.
I thought you said 2.
Well, it's only 1 cup of water.
Okay.
1/3 cup of vegetable oil and 3 eggs.
Oh, that's easy enough.
Yeah, that's the easy one here. Well, then get up, turn the water on. Eesh. You're waiting for ever. Alright. And 1/3 cup vegetable oil. the eggs. Try not to get the shell on there. Oh, the inside of these eggs are pink.
Pink?
Yeah, the eggshells, they're almost like pink.
Hmm.
Look at that. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, it's almost pink on the inside. Never seen eggs like that before. Okay. Oh. Oh, why is that? Oh, yellow cake. What am I? Okay. Pop them up. Yeah. Grab my pan. Need a spoon. Oh, cooking really ain't me but baking. Oh, it's been in, my mom's done it forever, and I just like to bake. Call me weird, but a lot of people love cooking, but I leave that up to the wife. Once in a while I'll cook, but I prefer to bake. Okay, there's that. Alright, you walk over here and we'll check the cookies. See how they're doing. Should be getting close. They're light. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at the goodness. Give it a couple more minutes. And I gotta see what I gotta put this on here. And let's see. 350. Well, it's on 350. That's for glass pan or metal. Metal and glass pan. Okay, we're good. How long? come on, where you at? Oh, on the bottom, no wonder. Why does it say that? What's that pan size, dear?
9 by 13.
9 by 13. Okay. About 23, 28 minutes. Okay. Get back with you when they're done. The cookies are done. Oh wow, wasn't recording? Okay, there's my cookies. There's more light on, then maybe you can see better. Yeah. Nice golden brown. Yep. Now we got the cake in the oven. Let's see. There really ain't nothing else to make up here. Pretty zebra cake. Ah, that's good. One's enough. Get too fat and I won't be able to move. I'm already there. Well, what do you know? Okay. I'll get back to you when the cake's done. Well, there's my cake. Nice golden brown. Once it cools, I'll put the frosting on it. But I think I'm all done baking. The wife, she tried one of my cookies and she said it was good, so I'll show you. I'll let you go for tonight. I'm gonna upload this. I'm sorry it's a short video, but I just wanted to film something, so film me baking, I guess. I appreciate you guys very much for watching. Please leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Hit that like button. Share. And you share with somebody. You know, I put it on Facebook, so you guys know when I upload. There's a little bell down in the right hand corner. If you hit that, it'll notify you all the time I upload something. Alright, you guys have a good night. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.